Stop! Don't scroll! You won't believe these Amazon smart home devices. Did you know your toaster could literally order pizza for you? Yeah, you heard me right. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta. Let's turn your dumb home into Iron Man's mansion, minus the billionaire problems. Alright, I'm showing you the wildest smart home gadgets you can grab on Amazon right now. Trust me. Number 3 will have your grandma texting you, how? Let's go. 5 gadgets, 1 tiny wallet. First up, the Echo Show 10. It doesn't just sit there looking pretty, it follows you around the kitchen like a puppy on Red Bull. FaceTiming your mom while burning your grilled cheese? No problem. Echo's got your back. Drop a yes in the comments if you've ever FaceTimed someone on the toilet. No shame. Next, the Wise Smart Bulbs. Imagine, you're in bed, lights out, popcorn in hand, and you forgot to turn off the kitchen light. Alexa, turn off the lights. Boom! You just saved yourself 23 steps and a stub toe. Alright, get ready for this one. The Roomba J7 Plus. This little beast doesn't just vacuum, it dodges pet poop. I repeat, it dodges poop. I can't even avoid Legos, but my vacuum can. Who's the real genius now? Fourth, the Eufy Video Doorbell. Sick of mystery Amazon packages? See who's at your door in full HD. Pro tip, use the voice changer to prank your friends. Leave the pizza and run. Also perfect for catching porch pirates. Smash that like if you've ever dreamed of living like the Jetsons. And hey, subscribe. I drop gadgets and giggles every week. We're not done. My favorite is last. Stay tuned. No pauses. We're moving fast. Keep up. Vote in the poll. Which gadget blew your mind? Last but not least, the Ember Smart Mug. This mug keeps your coffee at perfect temperature all day. No more cold, sad sips. It's the Tesla of mugs, folks. Sips that stay hot equal sign life upgrade. Which gadget blew your mind? Tell me in the comments and vote in the poll. Do it now. Think you spotted a hidden meme? Rewind. I snuck a few. Oops, wrong clip. Just kidding. Speed check. Did you miss that? Catch you next time. Unless my smart fridge locks me out first. Seriously, imagine that. Also, memes for days. Subscribe if you want more gadget hacks. Alright, quick recap. Echo Show 10, Wise Smart Bulbs. Roomba J7 Plus avoids landmines. Eufy Doorbell, HD Porch Spy, and Ember, hot coffee forever. If any of these would upgrade your life, hit like. Pro tips. Quick, check bundles on Amazon. Save a ton. Read recent reviews, not just stars. Use voice changers responsibly, but prankable. Also, don't let the Roomba near snacks. Want this to go viral? Share in 3 places in first 48 hours. Use the loop hook. Hide a meme to make people rewind. Share with your weird tech friend now. Comment yes if you'd buy any of these. 1 like equal sign motivation to buy more gadgets for you. Thanks for watching. Just kidding. Here's the real ending. If you rewind, you'll catch hidden memes I dropped. Echo, Wise, Roomba, Eufy, Ember. Boom. Real talk. These save time so you can watch more videos. I once almost let my smart mug get cold. Traumatic. If you want more, subscribe. I read every comment. Try buying 1 gadget and report back in the comments. Share in 3 places. Help this blow up. Pro tip. Prank responsibly. One day we'll have robot butlers complaining about Wi-Fi. Until then, gadgets. Echo, Wise, Roomba, Eufy, Ember. Which would you keep? Vote in the poll now. I'll read results. Comment yes if you'd buy any of these. Rewind for secret memes. Catch you next time. Unless my fridge locks me out. Bye. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Wait, did you catch that hidden meme? Thanks for watching. Om out. New videos every week. See ya. Psst. Rewind.